So in Clovis, California, we're taking a look at a little repair here, and we'll try and get you a light up here and get a picture of it while it's live and streaming without soaking my camera. But up in here you get the cold water line, and it's been shaved. And if you catch the right angle, you'll see the stream of water. Let me see. It's not grabbing it on the video. Let me see if I can get it right here. You can see it right there. So you can just barely, it's a stream of water that's coming from this hole right there where it's shaved. And of course I'm going to put my hand up there so maybe you can see a little bit better. This right here, you can see the water running off of my finger right now. So it's just a fine stream, and so now the water pressure's gone, so it's kind of slowing down. But the pipe's damaged. We're going to cut that out, give it to the homeowner, and then we'll take another video when we're done. So we are in Clovis, California. We just finished repairing a piece of PEX in here, and this one was not a defect in the pipe, and of course there is no labeling on here that I see that shows the manufacturer, and it doesn't really matter. You can see right here this got chewed on, either someone drilling a hole, don't know. It's been sliced pretty good, and that's, sorry, it's focusing on something else right now, so it's not taking a real good picture, but you can see that that's where the water was coming out spraying. So it just chunked through. So that happened. I don't know when, how long. I mean, it seems like during construction. I don't think it could have been done, during this particular point of demo because the leak was already there, but that was your problem. So we're going to leave this here for the home warranty people. And then we replaced it with Uponor. So this is type A tubing. It's all that we use. It's about 50% more expensive, which over the course of a home and a tract, a whole subdivision, adds up to a lot of money. So this blue tubing here from here to here, that's Uponor. It's an expansion tubing, of course, to tie into the, this is a PEX and this is an PEX. So to tie it in, use a shark bite fitting, and of course stainless steel jaws in here. These are approved by code for in-wall use. So one here, one there. Just chop the piece out that was bad, put it back together. And so relatively simple repair, but with a huge consequence. The mold damage or the water damage, and of course demoing cabinets and all that. That's outside of our scope of work. But originally we thought it might be coming from up top. That's where we usually start, up at the ceiling. That's where we see all the breaks in the line. And so we started up there and turned the water on. Of course it was coming out down here. So little tiny patch up there. The sheetrock is up there on top of the shelf along with the insulation. Please put that back. And then there's your repair piece for down below. And of course insulation sitting right here. Please put the insulation back in the wall along with re-insulating the walls during the construction of the kitchen. So anyways, everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.